Lai teli ki mat jingdawa na ki MLA ka liang persha halor ka jingsha siadyam ki minsim balului ha mukro West Jainte Hills District baka Sorkar ka di ban shimkhya bat banle ka badon kam laong uba George B Lingdo MLA ka umroi constituency habakran shkilar pathai khubor hanong ba Shillong kawai kalong baka Sorkar ka di banbu iki kitempulen ha ka jilla ha ki benta khapot kumba ka Assam ka bu kabaar kalong baka Sorkar lang baka tanat pulit ka jilla ka de bantokin bat kemi kitu ki pulit Assam ki badon kti ban siat yap iki sangut ki riu pat ba namar ka de ka kampanya briu bat hapo uput usam jong ka jilla Meghalaya kabalai kalong baka Sorkar ka de banthung kam mi ki bahaying jung kitu ki bala sya siat yam bat baka de ban siu ka bailut ksan she ki bala du no ila ki khot kalong ying bat kumju ru ki ba mensaw ha ka te ka jingja Uba George ulo ongru uba Lada ka Sorkar kamle AA bat ka Tlot bor ka pendu jingshania ay ka jella bat ka peniru ba kamdon ka jingba akhli ka ba janai bat kancin dala bharu ba pen khalam no bat sensar Preisident ne Preisident rule ha baro ka wei ka jella tat hadu banda penbet shwa ya baro ki jing e jong ki pait ba.
Why don't we put our task force, our police into action? As we had said earlier also, we had demanded in front of the government that those culprits should be arrested and arrest warrant should be immediately issued by the state police against those culprits because it is a murder that has been committed on Meghalaya soil and the state police should go against those culprits. Number 3, we had also demanded that the state government should give some kind of alternative, some kind of employment to the next of kin, to the families of the bereaved, and care should be taken that all the other expenses that the families have borne, especially the ones who are injured, they should be taken care of. Along with the other parties, we have also put this point forward. So these are the 3 major points. But the fact is, we totally disagree with the government in the fact that clubbing this as an interstate boundary issue is not the purpose of this meeting. We wanted that this criminal act should be dealt with the sternness of actions from the state government side, and they should also ensure that they show their authority over this case. Otherwise, then it will weaken their point in further discussions on interstate boundary issues and in the interstate boundary settlement. If the state government does not act on now and show its authority over such areas, then perhaps it will be pushing the state government again on a back foot, and also the further discussions and communications that are going to have with government of Assam in the years and the months to come.
Well, are you happy with the outcome of this?
If the government has again failed to reassert its authority and jurisdiction and control over the areas that fall under this jurisdiction of Meghalaya, then the right of people to live there is being suppressed. And at the same time, the government has failed in its responsibility to act timely. As I had said, that people had come and alerted the government on time regarding the high-handedness of the Assam and also their use of force. And we also know that the police, Assam police, have been patrolling these areas for many a time. But then the government has, shirked away its responsibility. If this irresponsibility continues, I think they have lost not only the Chief Minister, but the entire cabinet has lost its moral responsibility to rule the state, and therefore either a new government should come, or in fact a president's rule should also be imposed in the state, considering the fact that the government has lost its moral authority and its responsibility in governing the state.